Hi and welcome to Wigan RC, and today we're going to show you how to make your own mud guard set, which includes back mud guards there and these fancy little things that keep the dirt out of your wheels. So hang tight and we're going to show you how to do it. So the first thing I did was go onto eBay or go onto any of the sale sites that sell the scraper set and the mud guards, and I printed out, as you can see here on a piece of A4, the rough shape of what I need to use as a template. So from this I basically traced around the piece of paper and then altered the shape to the way I wanted it to be. So what I've done here is I've cut out a template which is there, and then I've realised that it's pretty small. I want to protect more of the car, so I've enlarged the template to this. So I've made it a bit longer, a bit higher to protect more of the car. So I'll cut out a cardboard box, fit it and see that it fits perfectly in the space. So now we've done a template for the mud guard. This is going to be the wheel mud guard, the scraper, so all the muck that goes inside your wheel, you can just put this in and it'll scrape it all out, so the bulk of it will be gone. So I've made a template of that, and then we'll just quickly make sure that it fits. So that's going to go and screw down into this, and then we'll just put the wheel on, screw it down, make some holes, follow the holes there and make sure it fits, and then go from there. So here we go with the template for these. So I've checked to see that it doesn't touch the wheel, and then I'll just screw a couple of screws in. So now just to cut this out of plastic. Okay, so hold tight. So here's the finished wheel scraper in the mud guard set for the Creighton, Outcast or the Typhon or the Talion. So this applies to all cars, and you can do this mod for other cars as well. Okay, so I found some orange plastic that will tie in nice with the body there, and now just to do the back mud guard. So to do the back mud guard, I found a little storage container, just a white little storage container. It was a slightly almost orange, so that was as close as I could find. It's polypropylene, so you just got to be careful cutting it. And then all I've done is I've cut out a section of it, scored it with a Stanley knife first, so that it wouldn't quite split too badly, but they are quite brittle. So that's what I've used to make the mud guard out of. So here's my template that I've made just to check that everything is working okay. I can test the suspension to see that it's not fouling. We can see in the corner there, I just need to trim that side. But apart from that, it's moving up and down easy. I'll take the balloon off the suspension, put some new shock covers on. So now all we need to do is get our plastic and follow the template. Okay. So here's the finished result, and as you can see, there is the shape I've done for the back mud guards, and there's the finished scraper to take all the junk out of the wheels, and there is the front wheel. And if I go over here and turn, you can see that there is the front wheel and the scraper there, and in the back there is the back wheel. So you can just see that it's there. Now you've got to make sure that you test the suspension, make sure it's going up and down freely and nothing is stopping it from moving, and Bob's your uncle. So quick video how to show you to do this. This is on my Arrma outcast. After taking it for its first bash session, I noticed it was quite messy, and in another video I'll show you some other tricks on how to do some really good work for very low cost. This probably cost me $5 and took me probably 45 minutes to make, so it's a great little modification that you can do at home yourself, and your car will be a lot cleaner. Okay, thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget to sign on to Wigan RC, and I'll see you soon.